how I do.
Hey guys, welcome to my weekly vlog. It's Monday and we are in lockdown. I don't know, for the 10th time, and you're gonna be here with me. Oh, what are we making today? Risotto. I just corrected the white balance of this camera and it's shooting amazing.
Snap! The next day.
Hey guys, welcome to another vlog. It's Tuesday. I am tired. It's so cold. I took a day off. Today my to-do list is, what's my to-do list? I'm gonna get my book. I've got my little to-do list here. So I'm just gonna organize the house, some content planning. I've been wanting to talk about validation for a while. I need to take out my hair. I have a lot of learning to do because I got a wig and I have not installed a wig ever. Otherwise, all good. Gonna start my day and
Few moments later.
hey guys. I've done probably 30%, 40%. I've done 40% of my to-do list today, and basically this is taking out my hair is the biggest. This is how it looks when I finish. I'll show you again. We are getting the hair there. Almost there. We have 1, 2, 3, 4. So right now I'm actually really hungry. I'm just going to start making dinner. Okay guys, we're watching Cruella and we just put up the furniture, which is, he put up the furniture, not me. Hey vlog. Okay guys, today's vlogs are fitting a carpet into my kitchen. I need to donate some of my clothes, so we're gonna do that later. And then I have to go to work. I have 2 shifts, so it's gonna be a marathon.
Much later.
And just by the way, we're socially distanced, so I don't need a mask. Yeah. Have sanitizer.
Yeah. Yeah.
Love it! Hey guys, welcome to another day. Hey vlog! So, today I have very laid back things to do. I've got work in the afternoon, install a wig. Okay guys, we're finished with there's so much echo in this room. I'm cringing. Yeah, so we're finished with washing the wig, as you can see. So right now, what I'm going to do is actually blow dry the hair. Okay, it's getting a little bit dark. I basically just lit some candles. There's too much white balance in here. Like, I'm gonna try. I actually can't change that. But yeah, this is the vibe. So the wig update. Yeah, this is a bit too. Yeah, now I'm gonna make dinner. What's the time? What is the time? Oh.
Step one of the process is the idea.
Ooh.
Before I get into the idea phase, I just want to ask you, I didn't see
I got an email from YouTube. And it's like, congrats on 500. Oh my god. Alright, I'm gonna start on the corners.
One eternity later.
I definitely like these little hooks to go into my hair, which are actually really painful because I just tried putting it on. And I like the little lace behind to secure the wig as well. But I'm just like, where do I pluck? So I'm just gonna put some foundation onto these pads so it's not too harsh. Now I'm gonna just move on to making dinner and then I'll come back to you guys. We like the week. Hey guys, welcome. No, not welcome. Hey guys, why is this doing shit? Hey guys, so I just finished filming the validation video, but I don't think it's going up. The reason being is, well,
I got a bit drunk. I had like 2 apple ciders while I was watching a movie, so
when I set up everything and all that, and yeah, basically when I tried to film, I was just rambling in the whole video, and I don't think I want that. I don't think I want that on my channel. And I don't even think I know what I was talking about, to be honest. I was just like up in there and just rambling my whole way through. So like I'd bring back past mistakes and it's not going up. Hey guys, welcome back to the vlog. It's Friday today and it's probably, look in the camera, it's probably the last time I'm gonna vlog. I definitely need to adjust to actually filming every day and not editing immediately, because that's what I'm used to. I'm used to filming, edit, that real day, that real night. I have my footage and I'm going, what the fuck is wrong with my eye? I have my footage ready to be filmed. But yeah, with vlogs you can't do that, because then I find that I don't have enough content, or like I can't actually commit to the whole day filming everything, if that makes any sense, because I've got work, I've got housework, I've got other commitments that I need to take care of. So yeah, anywho, today I've got an interview in about an hour from now, so I'm gonna just start getting ready on that, and later on that's when I'll go probably do some exercises, and then I'll get this vlog out to you guys. And yeah, so with today I'm probably gonna film the validation video. Guys, I look completely different with this hair. It makes me look old as fuck. That's what my partner's also told me. Rude. Anyway, but I need to put this on because the braids just keep breaking my edges and I can't just move around with cornrows. Like you've seen me, I can't just move around like that. And also my hair is really unmanageable. It's out of this world. So I'm gonna have to have this on for my interview, and then that go for exercises. Today I don't have work, thank God. I've got plenty of time to actually do filming and then just like put content out and be more consistent. To be honest, being consistent and actually putting out a video on YouTube every week has been a hassle. I'm just like a hamster running on wheels, because I've got other things to do. Like I'm really busy outside and I also have to like commit to this time, and I'm committing to it because I want to grow. I'm like really serious about this now. So it's Friday, then Saturday, Sunday.
It's Saturday, Sunday, what? It's Friday, then. It's Friday.
Alright, ciao. Thanks for joining my vlog. I'll see you when I see you.
So, ooh, yes.
Oh my god, that's